In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, the first thing you're going to do to fix this is to actually realize why it's happened. Now, as you may or may not know, this code comes up when you have had too many login attempts, so just make sure that you try to have less attempts next time you try and log in. But to move forward, you're first going to go to your App Store and search up the Snapchat app. This is just to make sure it doesn't have an update that's pending. As you can see, mine says open, so I don't have any updates pending. But if on your end it does say update, make sure to click that and update the app. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing that you're going to try is to actually click the app and either remove the app, or you can click on edit home screen and remove it. But if I click on remove app, then you can actually have the option to either delete it or remove from home screen. Make sure you actually just delete the app entirely, because then you're going to go to the App Store and then Snapchat will say download, and you will re-download it, and this will reset your login attempts so that you can fix the code. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.